In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the slide orientation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to adjust the layout for a presentation with more vertical images or simply want a change in the usual landscape view, altering the slide orientation is a straightforward process. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by launching PowerPoint on your desktop. Depending on your system, double-clicking the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or selecting it from your Start menu or Applications folder will do the trick. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to either open an existing presentation or create a new one, depending on what you need. If you're creating a new presentation, take a moment to add any photos, tables, and other content that you plan to use. This will help you better visualize how the change in orientation affects your slides. Now, with your presentation open and ready, let's proceed to changing the orientation. The next step is to find the Design tab, which is located in the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab houses various customization options for your presentation, including the one we're focusing on today. Clicking on the Design tab will reveal a set of additional tools specific to slide design and layout. Once you're in the Design tab, look towards the far right, and you will see a group labeled Page Setup. Included in this group is an option called Page Setup. Go ahead and click on that. Selecting Page Setup will open a dialog box, offering you several options to fine-tune the layout of your slides. In the dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Orientation. Here, you'll find two radio buttons, allowing you to choose either Portrait or Landscape orientation. Portrait orientation is taller and more vertical, ideal for slides where vertical space is a priority. Conversely, Landscape, the default setting, is wider and more horizontal, suited for most screen displays. Select the orientation that best fits your needs or the requirements of your presentation. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. This will close the dialog box and apply the changes to your slide orientation. It's a good idea to take a quick glance through your slides to ensure everything looks as you intended, especially if you have existing content that might have been repositioned due to the new orientation. And that's it! You've successfully changed the slide orientation in PowerPoint. A seemingly small adjustment can make quite the impact in tailoring your presentation to fit your specific needs or preferences. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider checking out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on mastering PowerPoint and other everyday software tools.